What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. Thank you so much for being here. Today I want to talk about Cubase 15 one more time. Although I haven't really installed or even tried this new update yet, I've been getting a lot of comment from my viewers and subscribers saying that this update looks more like a 0.5 update, not a single digit update, right? So yeah, some people may think like that, but if you guys compare Cubase with other DAWs, right? Cubase is superior in a lot of ways, right? We have video tracks that actually we have two video tracks that you can add in one single project, and the video track actually support 8K resolution, right? It's a super useful for music composers like me who actually do film scoring. And then let's look at other stuff that Cubase have. We have modulations, which was introduced in Cubase 14. It is awesome, right? It's one of the best features, and now it's available in Cubase 14. And then so Cubase 14 is already a complete perfect DAW, though there are a few other features that I have mentioned before that I would prefer Cubase to have, but it's not the features that it's so important that I cannot work in Cubase, right? Cubase is already complete, but there are just some other features that I would prefer to have, and I've mentioned in my previous video. I compare with FL Studio and other DAWs that I actually do use, you know. Okay, so when Cubase 15 is introduced, everybody thought that this was just a 0.5 update and not a full digit update, because we already have all the awesome features that we need, right? If Cubase 14 there was no update for the next 2 years or 3 years, I will still be happy with the features I already have in Cubase 14. But the Cubase 15 is even better. Let me be honest with you guys. There's so many other stuff that was not explained well in the Cubase videos, and every other YouTubers who actually make content with Cubase, when they make a video about talking about Cubase 15, it was very limited information. There's not much explained until you get to watch Greg Ondo's Cubase live stream about Cubase 15. I watched it and it was amazing. There are a lot of things that I really wanted, and it's available now, especially with the expression map, obviously, and the other features are the score editor in Cubase 15. It's way better than Cubase 14's score editor, and there are a few other features that I wanted in score editor is now implemented in Cubase 15, and I'm really glad they did that. And then the AI vocal, for sure, that is definitely why I'm so excited to upgrade to Cubase 15, right? So if you guys think that Cubase 15 is just 0.5 update, you have to go and watch Greg Ondo's video, because he explained it way better. You know, when I first watched the video of Cubase 15 and I watched the automation thingy, right? The automation last touch. I was not very impressed about it until I watched Greg Ondo's live stream, and he explained in much detail, and that was an eye-opening for me. That was like, whoa, this is really cool. And the same thing with the expression map, where, okay, let me just go ahead and play that video, guys. Hang on.
So we could see our articulations here. Now, my favorite feature is now I could just click right here and audition all of the articulations. To get an idea exactly what each articulation is doing.
Okay, this feature is so useful because I don't have to now open the instrument to see, okay, what expression I have for this particular instrument, right? So since I've already added the expression map, now I can just go to this side here and click on it, and I know, okay, what are the articulations available and how it sounds, right? So that is very, very useful. This was not explained in any of the Cubase 15 video I watched. Maybe there are some other producers who use Cubase and made the video about it, but I didn't see it. So I'm sorry if I missed your video, but when I watched Greg Ondo's live streams, he explained it way better. And this is an awesome update, to be honest. Expression map in Cubase 15 is way superior. And yeah, so this was one of it. And then the automation panel, which I actually explained earlier. And then obviously the vocal. So everybody that used the vocal AI to make the video, they keep actually using the female's voice until the last stream where Greg actually used the male voice.
I know what you sing in the shower.
And if we wanted to adjust the expression, you want it to be more mellow. If you want to adjust the present, make it a little brighter, cut through mix. If you want to adjust the formant, you can choose whether you're going to be dynamic or straight.
So long, knowing you change me to my core.
If you want to adjust the vibrato, let's say we'll go very Broadway.
I don't have to worry, wonder where you are. Right here in the center of my heart. I know all your scars and the story, from your head down to the soles of your feet.
So I thought, okay, maybe the male voice is not as good as the female voice, but then no, it's not. The male voice is as good as the female's voice. If you think Cubase 15 is not as good as you think or as you want, you have to go and watch this live stream, and then you will change your mind, right? And obviously, I haven't do a test yet. I'm currently very busy with a couple of projects actually. So I'm not so available right now to make the video, but I will do it very soon. Okay, let me just settle my stuff and then I will do it. I'm gonna actually do a lot of tests, right? I want to see whether Cubase 15 is faster than Cubase 14. Is it stable than Cubase 14? Because currently Cubase 14 is very stable and I'm happy to use it. But for me, the most important thing is the stability, and I love Cubase because of that. You know, I've used other DAWs. Cubase is actually the most stable DAW. And I want to see, is it still stable with all the new features added in Cubase 15? All right. Yeah, so Cubase 15 again, it's not a 0.5 update, it's a full digit update. So if you guys still think that it's a 0.5 update, you have to go and learn Cubase 15 and then you will change your mind. All right, so I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.